Friends, myself Sainath Lambade, and today we are going to discuss about the parathyroid gland. As in the last lecture, we have discussed about the thyroid gland. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the parathyroid gland. First of all, we'll discuss about the position of parathyroid gland. As you know that we have discussed about the thyroid. Thyroid is actually present in the anterior region of a neck in front of trachea just below the larynx. So that is a bilobed gland, and this parathyroid gland is present at the posterior or back side of the lobes of the thyroid gland. We'll see this parathyroid gland. The position of parathyroid gland is situated on the posterior surface of the lobes of thyroid gland. The lobes of thyroid gland, at the lobes posterior region of the lobes, the thyroid gland, this parathyroid gland is present. Parathyroid are four in number and name superior and inferior parathyroid gland. This single, if you count this parathyroid gland, they are in the four number, and if you will in the pair, that is of two pairs. The upper pair is called as a superior and lower pair, that is known as the inferior. Cells of parathyroid gland is arranged in a compact mass. The cells of parathyroid are arranged in the compact mass. Parathyroids secrete a peptide hormone called parathrome. This parathyroid gland do the secretion of a hormone that is called as a parathrome or PTH. It is also called as a Colip's hormone. The another name for the parathrome, that is a Colip's hormone. It regulates the calcium and phosphate balance between the blood and other tissues. As you know that this parathrome do the regulation of the calcium and phosphates balance in the blood as well as in the tissues. A release of parathrome increases blood calcium level. When this hormone parathrome or Colip's hormone get released, what will happen at that time? These will increase the calcium level in the blood. As in the last lecture, we have discussed about the thyroid gland, and thyroid do the secretion of thyroxine hormone, as we know that T3 and T4, and again one more hormone that thyroid gland releases, that is a thyrocalcitonin. That is a thyrocalcitonin, or you may say the calcitonin. This calcitonin is antagonistic to this hormone parathrome. Parathromes increases the blood calcium level, and this thyrocalcitonin decrease the calcium of a blood level and stores in the bones. It draws the calcium from the bone, increases calcium absorption in the digestive tract. It draws the calcium from the bones and increases the calcium absorption in the digestive tract and reduce the loss of calcium in the urine. Secretion of parathrome is under feedback control of the blood calcium level. Depending on the calcium present in the blood, the feedback manner, that is given a feedback. If there is a low calcium, there will be given the signal there is a low calcium. Then what will happen? There will be the secretion of parathrome, and parathrome will increase the calcium level in the blood. If there is increase in the calcium level, there again the feedback manner, there will be secretion of thyrocalcitonin, and this thyrocalcitonin will take up the calcium from the blood and decrease the calcium level in the blood. Concentration of calcium and phosphate is maintained by the parathrome and calcitonin, that we have discussed, thyrocalcitonin. These two hormones forms antagonistic. Antagonistic mean opposite actions. Both are opposite to each other. Each action. One is increasing the calcium, another one is the decreasing the calcium in the blood. So these two hormones forms an antagonistic pair like insulin and glucagon. As you know that insulin increases the blood sugar level and glucagon decreases the blood sugar level. Calcium is maintained in very narrow range in the human body. As you know that calcium maintains in a human body that is very narrow range. We'll see that. This is a calcium is maintained in a very low or narrow range in the blood, that is about 9 to 10 milligram per 100 ml of the blood. This calcium, if it is lower than the 9, that is known as a hypocalcemia, means low amount of calcium in the blood. That is a hypo means low. What will happen? Increases the excitability of nerve and muscles or neuronal cells. The excitability of the neuronal cells takes place due to the hypocalcium. Stimulate the muscles that causes a tetany or the carpopedal spasm. As you know that this will excitability will show the spasm that turns or in the carpopedal of fingers as well as in the legs, that will do the like this shifting or the smaller bending of the that fingers. Then in that range more than 10, that is a hypercalcemia. What will happen? This it can cause a death due to the cardiac arrest. If there is a hypercalcemic, the high level of a calcium is also dangerous, low level is also dangerous. That will cause a tetany, and tetany means carpopedal spasm. Then it can cause a death due to the cardiac arrest, more absorption of calcium from the bones, example demineralization of the bone. There will be the demineralization of the bone and rebuilding in the softening and bending and fractures of the bone. That will form, the bone will become a very soften, and that will form the osteoporosis. There will be the fractures in the bone. It is common in the women we have reached in the menopause, when the menstrual cycle gets stops. At that commonly it is seen in the women's. Now we'll see the how, as we have seen about the thyroid gland. This is the uppermost region, that is actually called as a larynx. It is called as a larynx. Followed to this larynx, there is having the presence of this thyroid gland in the two lobes. This thyroid gland butterfly shaped, that is a butterfly shaped two lobes, and this is called isthmus. As backside of this lobe, there is having the presence of like this two pairs of this thyroid gland, parathyroid gland. These are called as superior parathyroid gland, and this lower one is called as a inferior lower one, inferior parathyroid gland, as it do the secretion of peptide hormone that is known as a parathrone. Okay, thank you.